this vacuum cleaner talks to you. The Dreame Mova K10 Pro is a lightweight smart vacuum cleaner with dry and wet cleaning. And you can get started with it in seconds. Inside the box, you'll find the charging base, the wall charger and the cleaning brush, followed by the handle and the main body. The handle that has all the controls, it snaps onto the main body to connect like this, and then you can pick up the vacuum cleaner and place it on the charging dock to start charging it. Now you need to charge this for 4 hours 30 minutes to get the claimed run time of 30 minutes. And once it is ready, just detach the main tank from the back, fill it up with clean water, place it back inside the vacuum cleaner body, and that's where the smartness begins. Now the Dreame Mova K10 Pro here comes with mess detection, so it knows the kind of cleaning that you are expecting from it. You push this button here to power up the vacuum cleaner, then the button below this is the one which is used to switch between auto, suction and turbo mode. And finally this button here is used when you dock it on the charging base to initiate the self-cleaning. But you can also long press here on the middle button to switch between the voice prompt languages and long press this third button to turn off or turn on the voice prompts. In our testing, auto mode seems to get the job done most of the time, and this is running on 7 batteries of 2400 mAh each, so the 30 minutes of runtime is usually achievable in auto mode with wet and dry cleaning. Plus this also comes with dual scrapers, one at the front and one at the back. The front scraper picks up the fur and the leftover hair, and the rear scraper picks up the residual water after wet cleaning. But enough about the feature, how does it work? So before we started testing the Dreame Mova K10 Pro here, we decided to make a sandwich, and in that process we may have spilled some ketchup, some breadcrumbs and even some tomatoes, and one of us even managed to spill their cold drink. Oops. But the Dreame Mova K10 Pro's sensors detected wet mess from the dry mess, and it was dealt with swiftly. We cleaned this entire hall using this vacuum cleaner right here, and it was really easy thanks to the self-propelled power traction technology that it gets. That means you only have to walk with it gently. The vacuum cleaner will walk itself forward. Moreover, this gets 6mm edge cleaning, so you can clean tight nooks and corners with this cleaner easily. And after you're done, just dock it on the charging station and press the self-cleaning button. Just make sure that the clean water jar is full, and this machine will clean the brush and the assembly itself. So the Dreame Mova K10 Pro here is a smart appliance because it talks to you with voice prompts, cleans itself after you're done cleaning the house, and most importantly, it detects wet mess from dry mess and adapts rapidly. So that makes it a good appliance in our books, especially for the people looking for something to quickly and efficiently clean their house, especially at this price on Amazon. So make sure you follow Gadgets 360 for the 360-degree coverage of everything tech. My name is Manik Beri, and I'll catch you in the next video.